Starla, Stripes, Zedge, Crusher, Blaze, Darrington. Today on SETC we're going to be learning colours with Blaze and the Monster Machines.
Cool! Awesome!
Red. Ooh, our first surprise. Whoa. And we have the Season 5 Shopkin, Dennis Bat. Oh, just check out how cool they are. I wonder if Dennis Bat wants to go for a ride in Blaze. Let's give it a try.
Hey, I'm Dennis Bat. This is awesome. Faster.
Next we have... Ooh, I wonder what's in here. Squishy. Cool. We've got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Donatello mashup. Cowabunga. Oh, he's so cool. How squishy are you?
Yeah.
How stretchy are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so cool. Yellow. Ooh. And our first surprise. What's this? Oh, cool. And we've got Cubby from Captain Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Oh, he's so awesome. And that is such a cool blue bandana. And next we've got... Whoa, this is a big surprise. Can we tell who it is? Awesome! We've got Officer Judy Hopps from Zootopia, or Zootropolis as it's known here in the UK. And this is a vinylmation of her. Wow, she's super adorable. Let us know what you think of her in the comments below.
Look, there's a monster truck coming this way. Blah! Oops, I hope he's okay.
Purple. Ooh. Okay, our first surprise. Wow, what's this? Awesome. And we have Lola Rollerblade from Shopkins Season 5. And our second Shopkin is Katie Skateboard, and she's a petkin. Oh, that is so cool. And our second surprise. Okay, what's this? Can we tell what it is? Cool! We have a Minecraft skeleton. He's awesome. That is such a cool skeleton. I wonder if he can ride in Blaze as well. Green. Okay, our first surprise. Ooh, I wonder what this is going to be. Can we tell? Cool. We've got Edward from Thomas and Friends. And Edward has a number 2 on the side of him. Oh, he's super cool. And our second surprise. Okay, what do we think this is going to be? I can see some numbers. Oh, cool! And we've got the dastardly Chick Hicks from Disney and Pixar's Cars. Whoa, he's awesome. Just look at how many stickers he has. He's so cool.
Hey, I'm Chick Hicks. I'm Darrington.
Orange. Ooh. Okay, what's inside here? Okay, what's this? Ooh. And our first surprise is the adorable electric Pokemon, Pikachu!
Pikachu! Pika Pika! Pikachu! Pika Pika! Pika! I'm Panda Bear Truck! Pika Pika Pika! Hello! Pika Pika! Pikachu!
And next we have... Cool! We have a marble Spider-Man figural keychain. Oh, Spider-Man is just such an awesome superhero. Are you looking forward to seeing Spider-Man in the new Captain America film? If you are, let us know. Blue. Okay, what's in here? Ooh, I wonder what this could be. Oh, do we know who it is? Our first surprise? We've got Chase from the Nick Jr. show Paw Patrol. Chase is on the case.
Check out my new Paw Patrol vehicle! Yeah!
And our second surprise? Do we know who it is? Cool! We've got everybody's favourite hedgehog, Sonic, from Sonic Boom. Oh, just check out how cool Sonic looks. Oh, he's just awesome. Do you like Sonic? If you do, let us know in the comment below.